Say hi, Jeremy.
Hello.
This is Jeremy Mauser. He runs Mauser. What's the specific name?
Mauser Brothers Enterprises.
All right. And they do cabinets and all kinds of finish work, trims.
Yep. Molding, cabinetry, and countertops.
I've known Jeremy for many, many years, and he was one of those subcontractors that was always in the way when I was there to do floors.
That's right.
So we've known each other a long time since I've been out of the business now for 12 years or more. I stopped in to get a piece of plywood yesterday and discovered these beautiful floors that Jeremy did himself. So I thought some of you concrete finishing pros might be interested in having a look at what his expertise is in besides wood. This is a concrete product.
Yeah.
Tell me a little about it.
It's Ardex interior overlay product. You can stain it before as your mix, which is a little bit that you guys are looking at in here, and in that main area there, that's a topical stain.
And this topical stain here, you also stamped it or something to make the grout lines?
That's a textured overlay. So you do a skim coat, put your lines in, overlay, pull your lines up, creating your grout line effect.
Okay. So probably some of the members of the concrete finishing forum will chime in with some more information about this. So you're gonna, if you're watching this on YouTube, you're gonna have to visit us at thefloorpro.com and check out the discussion. I'm gonna take a walk around, Jeremy, and look at some of the work you did.
All right.
And check out the new floors, and then I'll shoot over and get my sheet of plywood.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
So I'm not gonna try to walk and talk at the same time because, as most of you know, I don't breathe so well, and I can't do that at the same time. So just enjoy the view. This is a beautiful floor he did. It's a nice shop too. Beautiful showroom. The son of his cabinetry. Sorry about the hot spots on the floor because of the sunlight coming through. This is a very interesting looking floor. This, pardon the dirt, but this is also that same product, and these replicated knot holes. And this looks pretty cool. All right, so talk about it.